Captions AI and HeyGen are two AI-powered video tools designed for different purposes. Captions AI specializes in generating accurate subtitles and captions for existing videos. HeyGen creates realistic AI avatars and full video synthesis for dynamic visual storytelling. This comparison outlines their key differences and ideal use cases. Overview of both tools. Captions AI is an advanced tool designed to automate the creation of subtitles and captions for videos. It works by analyzing audio tracks and applying AI-powered speech recognition to generate precise text overlays. This process significantly reduces manual transcription time and enhances accessibility. Captions AI supports multiple languages and offers customizable styling options to match video branding. Its strengths lie in accuracy, speed, and ease of integration with existing video workflows. However, Captions AI focuses solely on text-based enhancements and does not generate video content or avatars. Users looking for dynamic visual elements or AI-driven video creation may find its capabilities limited. HeyGen is an AI video tool that specializes in creating realistic AI avatars and full video synthesis. It uses deep learning models to generate human-like avatars that can speak and express emotions, enabling users to produce engaging video content without cameras or actors. HeyGen's platform allows for script input, avatar customization, and multilingual support, making it suitable for marketing, training, and personalized communication. Its strengths include high-quality avatar rendering, natural speech synthesis, and flexibility in video creation. However, HeyGen requires more creative input and may have a steeper learning curve compared to captioning tools. It is best suited for users who want to produce dynamic video presentations or virtual spokespersons rather than just subtitle generation. Key comparison points. Primary purpose. Captions. AI generates accurate subtitles and captions for existing videos. HeyGen creates AI avatars and synthesizes full videos from scripts. Output. Captions. AI produces text overlays and subtitle files. HeyGen produces video files with speaking avatars. Use case. Captions. AI suits, accessibility improvements, educational content, and social media captions. HeyGen suits, marketing videos, virtual training, personalized messages, and avatar-led presentations. Input required. Captions AI requires an existing video with audio. HeyGen requires a script and avatar selection. Learning curve. Captions AI has a low learning curve. HeyGen has a moderate learning curve due to avatar customization and video synthesis options. Creative freedom. Captions AI offers limited styling options for text. HeyGen offers extensive control over avatar appearance, voice, and scene. Recommendations. Choose Captions AI if your main goal is fast, accurate subtitle generation to boost video accessibility and viewer comprehension without complex video production. It is best suited for content creators, educators, and marketers who need reliable captions for existing videos. Choose HeyGen when you need dynamic AI avatars and full video synthesis for engaging personalized content. It is best suited for marketers, educators, and trainers aiming to create immersive video presentations without traditional filming equipment or actors. Conclusion. Captions AI excels at text-based enhancements for existing videos. HeyGen excels at generating new video content with AI avatars. The trade-off is between subtitle automation and full video synthesis. Captions AI is simpler and faster for captioning tasks, while HeyGen offers more creative freedom but requires more setup. Select based on whether your priority is enhancing existing videos with captions or generating entirely new AI-driven video presentations.